If you're an internationally educated nurse, IEN, dreaming of a brighter future in Canada, you're in the right place. Canada offers exciting opportunities for healthcare professionals. And today, we're going to explore the unique pathways that can make that dream a reality for you. Nurses from around the world, including from African countries, are highly sought after in Canada due to the country's growing healthcare needs. With competitive salaries, world-class healthcare systems, and a welcoming multicultural society, Canada is one of the best places for nurses to build a fulfilling career and life. But how can you make this dream come true? That's where we come in. We specialize in guiding internationally educated nurses through the entire immigration process to Canada. We're not just about getting you here, we're about supporting you every step of the way. From the moment you decide to take the leap, we provide coaching to help you succeed and assist with filing applications, ensuring you meet all the requirements for immigration. What sets us apart from others? Well, we're proud to announce our exclusive partnership with one of the most reputable Canadian immigration centers. This unique collaboration allows us to provide you with expert guidance and trusted services, ensuring that your immigration process is smooth and successful. Our team of professionals understands the complexities of immigration, and with our experience, we're here to navigate those hurdles on your behalf. Whether you're applying for permanent residency, a work permit, or are interested in one of the provincial nomination programs, we'll help you every step of the way. So if you're an internationally educated nurse looking for an opportunity to take your career and life to the next level, we're here to help. Don't let the complexities of immigration hold you back. With our coaching, application support, and exclusive partnership with the top Canadian Immigration Centre, your future in Canada is just a step away. Get in touch with us today to learn more about how we can assist you in making Canada your new home. We're excited to help you start this incredible journey. Thanks for joining us. Stay tuned for more valuable information. And remember, your future as a nurse in Canada is closer than you think.